Welcome to my channel Online Earning Course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram Let's Play.
Hello there again, dear friends, and welcome to section 3 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training series, Advanced Instagram Marketing Strategies. So far, we are glad about the progress that we're making in this endeavor. In the previous section, we showed you what Instagram marketing was actually like, step by step, the easy way. And in this section, we're going to teach you how to manage your Instagram insights, how to use Instagram as a microblogging platform for maximum reach, how to shoot great Instagram videos, how to snap great Instagram photos, some advanced Instagram marketing advice from the experts, and how to use the direct feature for killer engagement, Instagram Insights. Now, let's start with Instagram Insights, which is Instagram's built-in analytics tool, which you can use to analyze your performance and the behavior of your followers. Accessing your Instagram Insights is as simple as tapping on the profile icon on the lower right side of the screen, then going to the upper right corner on your device's screen and tapping on the graph-like icon. Welcome to your Analytics section. Here is somewhere you will be able to see how well you are performing in your marketing efforts. Here you will be able to review in detail metrics such as number of followers, views, and others. Let's start checking out this section from top to bottom. As you can see here, right below your profile's icon, you will be able to see two metrics: the number of followers that you have and the current number of posts that you have published so far. Those two metrics are based on your activity from the last 7 days, which is important because that will allow you to know how well you are engaging people in relation to the number of posts that you publish during the span of a week. Alright, let's check the metrics feature below. The first metric featured is impressions, which is the total number of views that you have gotten across your entire Instagram channel. Or in other words, the total number of views from your posts, your images, your videos, and your profile. By swiping to the left, you will be able to see your reach, or the number of unique views that you have gotten in the last 7 days. Swiping to the left once more will show you your number of profile views, or the number of views that you have gotten on your profile in the last 7 days. Let's now move to the follower section. In this section, you will get detailed demographic insights of your followers, but you will need to get at least 100 followers before you are able to get this detailed demographic overview. Below is the post section, where you'll be able to check how your posts are performing on an individual level, as they will be arranged from left to right, sorted by the individual number of impressions on each one. In the stories section, you will get insights on the performance of your Instagram stories. Make sure to tap on Turn On to be able to get stories insights on this section. Note though that stories are visible to other users for 24 hours only, which means that stories insights gather data from a 24-hour period only. Lastly, in the promotion section, you'll be able to check your promoted posts' performance. A recommendation is to come back on a daily basis to the Insights section to see how your Instagram marketing efforts go, so you can make the appropriate adjustments to better optimize your campaigns. Instagram microblogging for maximum reach. Did you know that you could use Instagram posts as microblogs that can work as backlinks and as SEO boosters? That's right. And we're here to show you what strategies you need to apply in your post to use them as your own optimization boosting platform. Captions. Captions are the descriptions that you can add to your photos or videos, right on the Write a Caption field. The first rule about microblogging captions is that they have to be descriptive, brief, and simple. Instagram allows you to post over 2,000 characters in your captions, but the trick here is to not go over the 250 word mark. In fact, keeping it under 150 and 140 words is the ideal target. The idea is to use this brief caption for keywords relevant to your industry. If you need to add a web address, make sure to shorten it using a web service such as Bitly. Hashtags. No Instagram caption would be complete without hashtags. Hashtags are labels that help social media users to find specific information relevant to a keyword or string of keywords. We're going to use hashtags as a marketing tool and as an advantage. You can add hashtags to your captions by typing a hash character or numeral sign followed by the word, phrase, or string of keywords that you intend your leads to target. The maximum and minimum number of hashtags that you should include in your posts is 11. This is a powerful way to attract followers because users can find your products or promotions just by typing a particular keyword or by looking for a certain combination of keywords combined as a hashtag. For example, You can use the healthcare, eating healthy, and fresh hashtags in your caption to make your post to appear among results for people targeting those keywords. Our final recommendation when it comes to hashtags is to create them as strings of keywords, as opposed to single keywords, because single keywords can yield too many results. Tags. Tagging others on your posts is a great strategy that will help you to reach the followers of the people or businesses that you tag, all by simply tapping on Tag People to look for someone to be featured on your post. This works because comments, likes, and other activities by accounts tagged on your posts can be viewed by the people following them. Each time that you tag a user, he or she is notified, and this can thus make them feel more pleased, more identified, and more engaged with your brand, letting others know how a great brand you are for engaging with them. Geotags. Adding a location to your post by tapping on Add Location and selecting a location on the map is a great way to reach people in very specific locations, as geotags will be shown on your post images and they will be shown to people in that location and to people near that location as Instagram recommendations if those users use the search feature to find content. Apply these microblogging strategies in your daily Instagram posts and see how your performance as well as your reach increases in record time.